Tongue Twisters Challenge. Boost your English pronunciation. In today's video, we dive into the world of tongue twisters to help you master English pronunciation. Tongue twisters are a fun and effective way to improve your English pronunciation. They challenge your ability to articulate complex sounds quickly and accurately, helping to strengthen the muscles involved in speech. This video is perfect for advanced English learners looking to refine their pronunciation skills and boost their confidence in speaking. Why use tongue twisters? 1. Improve pronunciation. Tongue twisters force you to enunciate each sound clearly, which can help correct pronunciation errors and refine your accent. 2. Enhance diction. Practicing tongue twisters improves your ability to speak clearly and precisely, making your speech more understandable. 3. Strengthen speech muscles. The repetitive and challenging nature of tongue twisters helps build the muscles involved in speech, leading to better control and articulation. 4. Boost fluency. By practicing tongue twisters, you can increase your speaking speed and fluency, making your English sound more natural. 5. Increase confidence. Successfully navigating complex tongue twisters can boost your confidence in speaking English, especially in public or professional settings. Examples and explanations. 1. Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. Explanation. This classic tongue twister focuses on the P and K sounds. Practicing it helps with the clear pronunciation of these consonants and improves breath control. 2. She sells seashells by the seashore. Explanation. This tongue twister emphasizes the S and Sh sounds. It helps to differentiate between similar sounds and improve sibilance in your speech. 3. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Explanation. This one focuses on the W and CH sounds. It's great for practicing the transition between different consonant sounds and enhancing rhythmic speech patterns. 4. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. Explanation. This tongue twister targets the B and T sounds. It helps with the clarity of bilabial and dental sounds and improves overall articulation. 5. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Explanation. Emphasizing the S and SL sounds, this tongue twister aids in practicing smooth transitions between consonant clusters and enhances speech fluidity. 6. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Explanation. This one targets the F sound in both its voiced and voiceless forms. It's excellent for practicing this commonly challenging sound for non-native speakers. 7. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Explanation. Focusing on the F and W sounds, this tongue twister helps with the clear pronunciation of labiodental fricatives and improves overall speech rhythm. 8. Unique New York, unique New York. You know you need unique New York. Explanation. This tongue twister emphasizes the U and N sounds, helping to improve the articulation of nasals and rounded vowels. Practical tips for practicing tongue twisters. 1. Start slowly. Begin by pronouncing the tongue twister slowly and clearly. Focus on each sound and ensure you're articulating it correctly before increasing your speed. 2. Gradually increase speed. Once you're comfortable with the pronunciation, gradually increase your speed. Aim to maintain clarity even as you speak faster. 3. Use a mirror. Practicing in front of a mirror can help you observe the movements of your mouth, lips, and tongue. This visual feedback can be useful for correcting pronunciation errors. 4. Record yourself. Recording your practice sessions can help you identify areas where you need improvement. Listen to the recordings and compare them to native speakers. 5. Break it down. If a tongue twister is particularly challenging, break it down into smaller sections. Practice each section separately before putting it all together. 6. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Regular practice will help reinforce the correct pronunciation and improve your overall speech skills. Conclusion. Incorporating tongue twisters into your language practice routine can be a fun and effective way to improve your English pronunciation. By focusing on specific sounds and challenging your speech muscles, you can enhance your diction, fluency, and confidence in speaking. Remember to practice regularly, start slowly, and gradually increase your speed to see the best results. Happy twisting!